It was a true 1 versus 2 in District 9 Class A title game as Elk County Catholic took on Somerset. Their pitcher, Smith Walker, showing her stuff, gets the strikeout to end the 5th. She wouldn't allow a run in regulation. ECC's Abby Bauer matches her frame for frame. She paints the corners to end the Smethport strike. Crusaders loading them up in the 9th. Jolene Renwick sends it to short. The throw home not in time. Elk County Catholic outlasts Smethport 1-0 to earn the District 9 gold.